What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I want to show you how to make some stuffed peppers, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, you know, Black Owl, I have watched every single episode you've ever done, and I know that you've already done stuffed peppers, and I'm saying, where you've watched every single episode, you go life, buddy boy.
Now you just sit at home in your grandma's basement with your drawers on, typing on your damn keyboard.
But I thank you for watching. Now let's go ahead and make some, and this is the thing, I want to revisit the peppers, because I haven't made them in a while. I've been wanting some, and I almost want to do like a taco style if I can myself. And we ain't going to Taco Bell, got to do it right here, so let's do it. First thing you got to do, you're going to stuff peppers, you got to have something to stuff them with, and today I'm making some ground beef. Now, I don't even know what this is, it's just what I had in there. You can use the 80-20, the 70, whatever, it don't matter, just make it good. Now, go ahead and put that meat in the pan, and while that meat's going, we're going to finally, and I mean finally, we almost want to like mince, but I don't want to mince words because I ain't on a Food Network. I didn't mince nothing. I kind of finally chopped a white onion. And now, once you get that meat to where it's damn near done, throw that onion in there, and now we're going to season. Now, I've got a lot of seasonings here, pretty much salt, pepper, paprika, some cumin, maybe some garlic. Kind of doing like a poor man's taco seasoning myself. I'm going to do another video on that because ain't no sense in buying that packet from the store if you get it all right here and make it du jour of the day. So let's go ahead and, that was pretty quick. Now, let's go ahead and, we got the meat. It's looking good. Go ahead and drain it off. Do what you got to do. Now, set that to the side and let's start cutting the pepper. And the thing about this is, a lot of people do their shit like a big old jack-o'-lantern or something, and then you cut the top off and then stuff it down in. Well, here's the deal with that. To me, I don't feel like I'm going to get it all in there like I want it and have my layers layered correctly. So I'm going to do like an open face stuffed pepper, if you will. I cut mine in the middle. And you want to take that seed pod out before you do, cut it in half, and cut all that cartilage out of there. It's almost time for Halloween. I don't know if you can see a little spooky back here, but that sounds kind of spooky, cutting people's cartilage out. So, but I'm talking about that pepper. Take it and make it good. Now, go ahead and lay those flat. And we're going to get some rice to put in there because that's kind of my brother's thing. I stole it from him. Sorry, buddy. And I'm going to use some rice. Now you're saying to yourself, like, oh, did you make some fresh rice? Did you go to the store and get a bag of rice? You know me, buddy. I got time for that shit. I had to go visit Uncle Ben, famous Ben, whatever his name is. And then I got this basmati rice. Now, I don't know what the hell basmati is. Basmati, all I know is I got that good body. Now let's go and put the rice in the microwave, cook it like it tells you, and I'm going to put a little bit down in your stuff. Now, take that meat and mixture, that powerful thing, and put some of that in there too to make it look good. So, go ahead and do that, and then we got to top it with some cheese to hold it together, to give it a big old hug and say it's going to be okay. You're going, so we're good. So, go ahead and get the cheese, put on top of there. Now, this is when you should really put it in the oven. I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes on low just to melt that cheese and kind of soften up that pepper. You could sit there with your knife and your fork and ask everybody how their day was at dinner. Now, I ain't got time for that shit, and I kind of want my stuff al dente, you know, just a little crunch in me lunch. So I'll stick that sucker in the microwave and melt that cheese on top. Won't take me but, you know, 3-4 minutes or so. So once you get that done, we're going to be done, and it's time for a sight and a big old bite of the peppers tonight. They're so good. They missed it. I gotta go get them. Damn, what happened? Alright, buddy, the time has come. The stuffed peppers are done. And I would say I'm having the first bite for myself, but that been bit out, man. Everybody heard I was making stuffed peppers. I think there's one left, and I'm going to have that damn sucker for myself before I have to fight somebody over it, because I will. Yeah. My. I really nailed that taco seasoning. And with the rice and the cheese, really kind of a taco deal there. And I really love that crunch of that pepper. You can do it the other way. I've had it the other way many times. This way is good. You pick it up, crunch, delish. So, I want to thank all of you delish folks out there for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all of my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Patreon and watch me figure out how to use Patreon. So, I'll see you next time. I love y'all. Leave my pepper alone. It's the last one I got, so go on.